What's up, adventurers? We are back with another backpack review. Today we're going to be checking out the Chrome Industries Macheto 2.0. All right, this is a massive travel bag, at least massive compared to bags I normally carry. Let's look at the specs. It is 20 inches by 13 inches by 9.5 inches. It can actually expand up to 52 liters, which is huge. With all of that, it weighs 4 pounds. Not too bad. So I actually have not checked out this bag yet, so this is the first time I'm messing with it. So let's get right to it. All right, checking out the exterior. The material, you can tell it's really nice quality material. It is, you know, all that technical stuff. I'll read you some of it if you're interested. Outer shell material is 1680D nylon and 450D TPE tarp. That means it's tough. The main features of this bag: padded laptop sleeve that fits a 15-inch MacBook Pro, clamshell opening with 2 compartments, stowable ergonomic backpack straps, 1680 ballistic nylon and tarp shell, and expandable main compartment with compression straps. Those are nice words. As you know, if you've seen a lot of our backpack reviews, I love compression straps, I love versatility in a bag, and like I said, this is a 52-liter bag, but it definitely does not look like one. I do like the mix of material. I'm assuming this is the tarp material, this shinier, smooth material, which is nice, as opposed to the nylon on the side. It gives it just a nice clean finish. There is a pocket up front here with a zipper, as well as a key ring holder or key holder. It's okay size. It's just kind of a nice stowaway pocket for anything that you need quick access to. On the top, there is another zippered section, which is much deeper. It runs about halfway down the bag. Again, this is probably where I put more stuff, because if I do open it up, it wouldn't fall out right away. I don't think it'll fall out right away here, but again, this is just like, if I want to stash my phone, I'm gonna throw it in here, and then I can get it really quickly. As I mentioned, this has compression straps. So both sides have these really heavy-duty compression straps so that whatever you're packing, you can really compress it. That was my compression motion. Checking out the back, the straps are okay. They're not the thickest straps. I think they would work with a light pack. I imagine with a fully 52-liter packed bag, these straps would feel a little bit flimsy, but you know, I haven't tried it out yet, so I will be sure to try that. But I do like their feature on how they pack these away. A lot of the packable straps come apart and you have to stuff it in, and you know, like they come apart here, you gotta stuff in the top and stuff in the bottom. This one actually has a full-on Velcro section where you can then tuck the strap in, and voila, it's all gone. And like a good travel backpack, there's other ways to carry it. They have these briefcase handles on the side so that I can just bloop. Let's check out the inside. So just now when I was unzipping it, I kind of assumed that it was a clamshell this way, but it's actually a clamshell this way. Makes more sense. The inside of this bag actually reminds me of a suitcase that has the compartments already built in, which is really nice. They have completely zippered off sections. So let's open up this side right here. This section right here is the front of the backpack. It is just a massive open space that once I pack it away, I can zip this up and it'll hold everything in. The back side has a little more organization. There's a mesh pocket here and a privacy pocket here, you know, for your underwear. But similarly, I can open up the whole section and it is just an open wide space here to pack anything else that I need. So that's it, 2 main sections on the inside with a little bit of organization, very similar to a suitcase and how you would pack a suitcase. Now let's see how much it expands. The expansion zipper is on the front. We're gonna look at the profile. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right, so this added about 1.5 to 2 inches in depth space, and that's gonna go on that front clamshell section, and that gets you at 52 liters, which is a lot of space to pack. It's a big bag. Overall, the quality and the build of the bag is great. I think it is perfect for somebody who is looking to travel with just a backpack. Now, since we're carrying a lot of camera gear a lot of times, this isn't ideal for me because there's not really an easy way to put the camera inside or easy access to get it out when I need it. So for me, I'd rather have a suitcase because then I can carry a backpack for my camera gear. But if you're looking to travel with just your computer and clothes and whatever you need, toiletries, this is great for that. I could definitely foresee me using it on a weekend trip or even a week-long trip because I pack light, and it's a big bag. I'll show it on me right now. Now I am a smaller guy, I'm 5'7", 130 pounds or so very small frame. That's why I don't like too big of bags, it's gonna break my back. But it does look big on me, does it not? Do I look like a turtle? There you have it. This is the Chrome Industries Macheto 2.0 bag. Let me know in the comments below what you think, if you checked it out before, or if there are other bags you want us to check out. Thanks guys, we'll see you later.